Hi there, my name's April Christofferson and I am an occupational therapist from Colorado. Today I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why you should take the virtual interactive metronome course for CEUs or just for learning. First of all, no masks. You can toss these things away once and for all. Second, yoga pants. Let's give your Lululemons some love during the weekend, right? And stay in them. Third, you don't have to have the equipment. Interactive Metronome sets you up with everything that you need to complete the course from the comfort of your own home. Number 4, whether you've ever used the Interactive Metronome equipment or not, or have any idea about what it is, you are going to learn some really great things about neuroprocessing, timing, the human body, and treatment. If you're a therapist or if you're a teacher, if you're a parent, there's always going to be nuggets of information for you that you are going to love. And number 5, you get to spend the day with me. Yay! Only I'm going to be on your video screen and we won't actually get to be together, but it's better than being alone on a Saturday with your cat, right? And I can't do anything about my dogs barking, so bring your pets along. That's just a bonus reason to take the virtual interactive metronome course. All the information can be found on the website, www.interactivemetronome.com. I hope to see you online soon.